Hello everyone, good evening. So in previous video we have learned email and how to compose email. That means how to send a mail from one person into another person. Now in this video we are going to learn some other components of Gmail, that is inbox, then sent mail, drafts, bin or trash. About these are the components we are going to learn in this video. Okay, now let us log in into the Gmail account. Already we know the procedure. Open my browser, then an address bar www.gmail.com. Then here we are going to provide username and the password. Then once we provide the login credentials, we are going to enter into the Gmail account. Okay. Now we have already entered into the Gmail account now. So here you can see yesterday already we learned a compose option. By using compose option, we are going to send and preparing a new message for the particular users. Okay, now the other component inbox. The inbox is nothing but where all the received mails or all the received messages are going to be saved. The space we are going to call it as inbox. See, this is the inbox. The inbox is the default view of Gmail account. As soon as you open Gmail account by using the username and password, default view directly it is going to be open in the inbox view. Means on inbox we are going to see all received mails. Then the third one is start. See, start is nothing but any important messages we want to keep on our inbox as important. So here we are going to make it as star. See, just we are going to make highlight for the mails. See, for example, here each and every, see, these are all received mails. All these saved under the inbox. See here, each and every mail will be having star symbol here. So you can observe each and every mail is having star symbols here. You can observe. See, this one we are going to call it as star. See, star is nothing but we are going to make highlighted into the inbox. See, for example, if I click onto the star, it is going to be starred. See, it has become starred and it will be highlighted into the inbox now. So you can see any other stars are not going to be highlighted. Now only whatever the mail or whatever the message I have selected, that particular message has been highlighted. See, like this, we are going to make star. Then if you don't want to make star and if you want to keep these messages as normal, just we are going to click it as unstar. See, just if you click it as, it is going to be a normal position. Okay, now start and unstart we come to know. Then the next option is snooze. See, snooze is nothing but, say for example, the snooze option is used for, see, by using this option, we are going to hide the temporarily, we are going to hide some of the mails, means whatever the mails you want to remove or we want to hide from the inbox. By using the snooze option, we can make it. So temporarily, you want to hide or you want to remove from the inbox. By using this snooze option, we can remove some of the mails whatever we don't want to keep onto the inbox. Then next one is, here there is a sent. See, the sent option is whatever the mails we have sent from our Gmail account to some other. See, from this account to another account, whatever the messages we are going to send, all the sent messages are going to be saved in sent folder. or sent option. So here you can check it. If I click onto the send, whatever the mails I have sent, all the mails are going to be saved under the sent mail option. Okay, next one is drafts. See, the drafts are nothing but the undelivered messages or undelivered mails. See, suppose we will send some of the mails. Sometimes it is not going to be delivered to the particular person. See, it may be a network issues or it may be a wrong username. Whatever we provide, if it is wrong means the message is not going to be delivered. By the time that messages are going to be saved under the drafts folder. See, this is the drafts. Whatever the undelivered messages are going to be saved under drafts now. Then after drafts, if you see there is important. Again, I'll come back inbox. Then important. See, important is nothing but whatever the important messages are there, we are going to make or we are going to mark. These are the messages are important. See, for example, select the message. Then if I click onto the important, it is going to be means we are going to make the messages as important. See, just I'll come back to the inbox here. Means we are going to make mark as important mails or important messages. Then if we come to the next option, that is scheduled, means we are going to fix one time, means we are going to scheduling, means whatever the time we are going to fix or whatever the time we are going to set, in that particular time the messages are going to be delivered. Now hall mail. See, the hall mails are here you can see, mainly we are going to get three different sections under the inbox. One is primary, promotions, and social. See here, whenever now I am in primary section. See, all these are primary mails. Then again, if I want to check any mails I got into the promotion section, here I am going to select the promotion section. There we are going to see only promotion mails. Then when it comes to the social section, there only I am going to visible or it is going to display only social mails or messages. So here all mails what is going to be doing means once I click onto the all mail, all means there is no sections are going to be divided here. There is no primary inbox, there is no promotions, there is no social media. Now altogether it is going to be displayed in one single window, that is all mail. The default will be primary. See here you can see the default will be primary, promotions and social. But when I click onto the all mail, there is no sections are visible onto the screen now. All the mails will be in one single mail. Our next option is spam. So here you can see spam. See, the spam is nothing but the unwanted messages or unwanted mails what we are going to receive. See, all these unwanted mails or unwanted messages are going to be saved under the spam folder. See, all these the unwanted or messages or unwanted mails are going to be saved under the spam. Then the next option is trash. The trash is nothing but it is a bin, means whatever the deleted messages are going to be saved under the trash folder. See, this is the trash folder. Whatever we delete, all the deleted messages are going to be saved under the trash. See, once we delete the message, up to 30 days it is going to be saved under the trash. If it is complete 30 days, automatically it is going to be deleted permanently from the trash folder. See, these are some components we are using under the Gmail. And categories comes, the categories that only the important messages, star messages, everything it is going to be saved under the categories. Then manage subscription and manage labels and create labels. The labels, these are we are going to create our private folders to keep our personal information under the Gmail. See, all these are the components of Gmail. By using this Gmail, we are going to send and receive, and also we can keep our data privately by using the Gmail account by using these particular options. I hope you understood. These are all the components of Gmail. Thank you.